Camping is changing faster than ever, and some of the newest inventions are making outdoor life more comfortable, efficient, and surprisingly affordable. From ultra-compact tools to smart gear that saves time and effort, these innovations are designed to upgrade the way you experience nature without breaking the bank. What once felt like luxury is now becoming accessible to every camper. In this video, we're exploring cheap, next-level camping inventions that bring clever design and practicality together in exciting ways. Get ready to discover simple yet powerful tools that could completely change your next outdoor adventure and make camping easier than ever before. Hammock Holdall. Camping in a hammock feels peaceful, until you have nowhere to keep your essentials within reach. That's where a simple yet clever solution changes everything. The Hammock Holdall is designed to hang along your hammock's ridgeline, creating an organized space right above you. Instead of juggling items or risking them falling to the ground, everything stays secure and accessible. With multiple pockets and a central storage area, it neatly holds small gear without adding bulk or discomfort. Made from lightweight yet durable material, it blends seamlessly into any setup without weighing you down. What makes it stand out is how effortlessly it improves the overall camping experience. It's a small upgrade, but one that brings convenience, comfort, and smarter organization to every trip outdoors. Radius Outfitters Gearbox 4000. Keeping camping gear organized often turns into a frustrating task, especially when everything gets mixed up or makes noise during travel. That's where a smarter storage approach comes in. The Radius Outfitters Gearbox 4000 is designed to bring structure and efficiency to outdoor setups with a modular, semi-rigid build that can handle heavy use. Instead of a basic container, it offers adjustable compartments that let you arrange your gear exactly how you need it. The quiet interior design helps reduce rattling, making travel smoother and less distracting. With a stable base and quick access lid, it adds convenience without complicating your setup. Its collapsible design also makes storage simple when not in use. It's a practical solution that quietly improves how campers manage and access their essential gear. NITECORE EMR16. Mosquitoes can quickly turn a peaceful outdoor moment into a constant annoyance, especially when traditional solutions feel messy or inconvenient. That's where a more modern approach changes the experience. The NITECORE EMR16 portable electronic mosquito repeller creates a protective zone around you using a compact electrothermal system, helping keep insects away without sprays or smoke. Within minutes, it forms a reliable coverage area, giving you a more comfortable space to relax. Its rechargeable design means you can use it repeatedly without carrying extra supplies, while the lightweight build makes it easy to pack or attach to your gear. Built for real outdoor conditions, it offers a simple and efficient way to handle a common camping problem. It's a small device, but one that makes a noticeable difference in outdoor comfort. ODUN Outdoor Stove. Camping usually means packing multiple tools just to cook and stay warm, but some innovations are changing that approach completely. The ODUN Outdoor Stove introduces a more efficient way to handle outdoor cooking by combining several functions into a single compact system. Instead of carrying separate equipment, it allows you to grill, bake, boil, and generate heat using simple firewood. Its design focuses on maximizing performance while keeping the setup practical and portable. With controlled airflow and a structured build, it improves fuel efficiency and reduces unnecessary smoke during use. The integrated cooking features make it possible to prepare a wide range of meals in one place, transforming a basic campsite into a functional cooking space. It's a smart example of how one well-designed tool can simplify the entire outdoor experience. CampLight Pro. When darkness takes over in the wild, having the right lighting can completely change your experience. The CampLight Pro introduces a smarter way to stay illuminated outdoors with a design focused on efficiency and adaptability. Instead of relying on traditional lanterns, it uses solar charging and modern power options to stay ready wherever you are. Its motion sensing capability allows the light to respond automatically, conserving energy while adding convenience and a sense of security around your campsite. With multiple lighting modes, it can shift from bright visibility to a softer ambient glow, depending on your needs. The flexible mounting system makes placement easy in different environments, while its durable build ensures it can handle tough outdoor conditions. It's a compact yet advanced solution that redefines how campers use light in remote settings. SolarPivot Power Portable Solar. Running out of power outdoors can quickly limit what you can do, especially when everything depends on charged devices. That's where a smarter energy solution changes the game. The SolarPivot Power Portable Solar System is designed to generate consistent power while adapting to changing sunlight conditions throughout the day. Instead of staying fixed like traditional panels, it uses intelligent tracking to capture more energy without constant manual adjustment. Its foldable and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and set up, fitting naturally into camping or off-grid setups. By improving efficiency and reducing effort, it allows users to focus more on the experience rather than managing power. It's a practical example of how portable energy is evolving, bringing more reliable and flexible power to outdoor adventures. Max Pump 3. Setting up camp should feel simple, but inflating gear can quickly become a tiring and time-consuming task. That's where a compact, multi-use solution makes a real difference. The Max Pump 3 combines powerful airflow with a lightweight design, making it easy to carry while still handling essential camping tasks efficiently. Instead of manual effort, it allows you to inflate or deflate gear within minutes, saving both time and energy after a long day outdoors. Beyond that, it also functions as a small lighting source, adding extra convenience once the sun goes down. Its portable size means it fits easily into any setup without adding bulk. By combining multiple functions into one device, it shows how modern camping tools are evolving to be smarter, faster, and more practical for every outdoor trip. BioLite AlpenGlow. Lighting at a campsite is no longer just about visibility. It's about creating the right environment while staying efficient. The BioLite AlpenGlow introduces a more dynamic approach to outdoor lighting with a design that balances brightness and atmosphere. It provides strong illumination when needed, while also offering softer lighting options for a more relaxed setting. What sets it apart is its ability to produce natural-looking light that feels comfortable instead of harsh. With simple interaction, it can shift into different lighting styles, adding variety to the overall camping experience. Its long-lasting battery ensures reliable performance over extended trips, while the added ability to power small devices increases its usefulness. Built for outdoor conditions, it's a compact solution that blends functionality with a more enjoyable and adaptable lighting experience. UCO Cookit Camp Kitchen. Outdoor cooking often turns into a scattered and time-consuming process, especially when gear isn't properly organized. That's where a more structured solution makes a real impact. The UCO Cookit Camp Kitchen brings everything together into one compact system, transforming a basic setup into a functional cooking space. Instead of searching through separate bags, all essential tools and cookware are arranged in a single, easy-to-access layout. Its fold-out design creates a dedicated prep area while keeping items organized and within reach. From meal preparation to cleanup, every step becomes more efficient and manageable. Designed for small groups, it helps streamline the entire cooking experience without adding complexity. It's a practical example of how thoughtful organization can turn outdoor meals into a smoother, more enjoyable part of any camping trip. Therm-a-Rest Corus Quilt. Getting a good night's sleep outdoors can be challenging, especially when balancing warmth, weight, and comfort. The Therm-a-Rest Corus Quilt offers a more flexible approach to sleeping systems by removing the restrictions of traditional sleeping bags. Instead of a tight, enclosed design, it allows natural movement while still maintaining reliable insulation. Its lightweight construction makes it ideal for travel, while the moisture-resistant down helps retain warmth even in damp conditions. The quilt is designed to stay in place with secure attachments, reducing cold drafts during the night. With thoughtful features that improve heat retention and overall comfort, it adapts well to changing outdoor environments. It's a practical example of how modern gear is evolving to provide better rest without adding unnecessary bulk to your setup. NEMO Satellite. Comfort at a campsite often comes down to how well you can relax after a long day outdoors. The NEMO Satellite introduces a more refined approach to outdoor seating with a design focused on support and ease of use. Instead of a rigid structure, it offers a flexible reclining system that adapts to different sitting positions, making it suitable for both active moments and full relaxation. Its lightweight frame keeps it easy to carry, while the compact packing size ensures it fits into most travel setups without hassle. The chair is designed to provide better back and neck support compared to standard camp seating, helping reduce fatigue during extended use. With a balance of portability and comfort, it represents how modern outdoor gear is evolving to enhance the overall camping experience. Grayl 24 ounces GeoPress Purifier. Access to clean drinking water is one of the most important factors when spending time outdoors, and portable purification systems are changing how we handle it. The Grayl GeoPress Purifier offers a simple press-based design that allows you to convert untreated freshwater into safe drinking water in seconds. Instead of relying on pumps or complex setups, the process is quick and straightforward, making it suitable for camping, hiking, or travel. Its built-in filtration system is designed to remove a wide range of contaminants, improving both safety and taste. The bottle itself is built with durable, outdoor-ready materials, ensuring it can handle rough conditions. With a design focused on speed, reliability, and convenience, it represents a practical solution for anyone who needs access to clean water in remote or unpredictable environments. Black Diamond Stella-R Headlamp. Lighting plays a crucial role in every camping setup, especially when tasks continue after sunset. The Black Diamond Stella-R headlamp offers a practical and reliable solution for hands-free illumination in outdoor environments. Designed with a focus on usability, it provides strong brightness to handle a variety of nighttime activities, from preparing meals to setting up gear. Its beam is shaped to cover both close-up and wider areas, making it suitable for different situations. The rechargeable design removes the need for disposable batteries, adding convenience for longer trips. With an intuitive control system, switching between modes becomes simple and efficient, even in low-light conditions. Built to handle outdoor use, it delivers consistent performance while keeping your hands free. It's a compact tool that enhances visibility and safety during any nighttime adventure. Leatherman ARC. Outdoor situations often require quick fixes, and having the right tool can make a big difference. The Leatherman ARC is designed as a compact, high-performance multi-tool that brings a wide range of functions into a single, easy-to-carry device. Instead of carrying multiple tools, it combines essential capabilities into one solid build, making it suitable for camping, travel, and general outdoor use. Its design focuses on accessibility, allowing tools to be opened smoothly and used when needed without unnecessary effort. The build quality ensures durability, while the compact form keeps it convenient to store or carry. With multiple integrated functions, it reduces the need for additional equipment and helps handle everyday tasks more efficiently. It's a practical example of how modern tools are designed to improve preparedness in outdoor environments. NITECORE Tip 3. Lighting in outdoor situations often needs to be both powerful and portable, and the NITECORE Tip 3 is designed to balance both in a compact form. Built as a keychain flashlight, it delivers strong illumination despite its small size, making it suitable for camping, travel, and everyday use. Its lightweight and compact design allow it to be carried easily without adding bulk, while still providing dependable performance when needed. The light is designed to adapt to different situations, giving users flexibility in how they use it, whether for close-up tasks or general visibility. With a rechargeable system, it reduces the need for disposable batteries and supports longer use over time. Durable and efficient, it represents how modern lighting tools are evolving to combine convenience, strength, and portability in a single compact device. Nano B10. In modern outdoor setups, compact tools are becoming more powerful and versatile than ever, and the Nano B10 is a strong example of that shift. Designed as an ultra-compact everyday carry flashlight, it delivers reliable illumination in a form that's easy to carry anywhere. Despite its small size, it's built to handle a variety of situations, from basic campsite tasks to emergency use. The device is designed with durability in mind, using strong materials that can withstand outdoor conditions. It also offers multiple lighting options, giving users flexibility depending on the situation. Its hands-free capability adds another layer of convenience, allowing it to be used without holding it constantly. Combined with a rechargeable system and user-friendly controls, it represents how small, modern devices can deliver practical performance in demanding environments. ORIONER MS-06. Outdoor trips often require quick fixes, and having the right tool in a compact form can make all the difference. The ORIONER MS-06 is designed as a small, multifunctional everyday carry tool that combines multiple essential functions into one lightweight device. Its compact size makes it easy to attach to a keychain or store in a pocket, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. Built from durable materials, it's designed to handle regular outdoor use while maintaining reliability over time. Instead of carrying separate tools, this all-in-one design helps reduce bulk while still providing practical functionality. Whether it's small adjustments, quick fixes, or general use around camp, it offers convenience in a minimal form. It's a clear example of how modern tools are becoming more efficient, compact, and useful for everyday and outdoor situations. LifeStraw Personal Water Purifier. Access to clean drinking water is one of the most important parts of any outdoor trip, and portable filtration tools are designed to make that easier. The LifeStraw Personal Water Purifier is a compact and lightweight solution that allows you to drink directly from natural water sources. Instead of carrying large bottles, it works as a simple tool that filters water as you use it, making it highly practical for camping and travel. Its design focuses on portability, so it can easily fit into a backpack without adding extra weight. Built for outdoor use, it provides a reliable way to improve water quality when you're far from treated sources. By combining simplicity with effective filtration, it helps reduce the need for carrying large water supplies while supporting safer hydration in remote environments. SolarBrick. Solar power is becoming more flexible and portable, and the SolarBrick Gen 3 is a clear example of that evolution. Instead of relying on a single fixed panel, this system uses modular solar units that connect together magnetically, allowing you to build the setup you need based on your energy requirements. Each panel is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in a backpack without adding bulk. The snap-together design also makes setup quick and straightforward, without requiring extra tools or complicated wiring. Designed for outdoor and off-grid use, it helps generate clean energy from sunlight to keep essential devices powered during your trips. Its modular approach means you can adjust your power setup as needed, making it a practical and adaptable solution for modern camping and mobile lifestyles. OUTZAC PICO Pump. Camping gear is becoming lighter and more efficient, and the OUTZAC PICO Pump is a great example of this shift. Designed as a compact USB-powered air pump, it focuses on making inflating and deflating outdoor gear faster and easier. Its small size allows it to fit into any setup without taking up space, while still delivering strong airflow for practical use. Instead of manual effort, it helps automate the process, saving both time and energy after a long day outdoors. It can be powered through common portable energy sources, making it highly adaptable in different environments. With support for multiple nozzles, it works with a variety of inflatable gear, adding to its versatility. Overall, it represents a modern approach to camping tools, where convenience and portability come together in one simple, effective device. NEMO Forte. Camping gear has evolved to focus not just on performance, but also on comfort and sustainability, and the NEMO Forte is a strong example of that direction. Designed as a 3-season sleeping bag, it aims to provide a balance between warmth and usability across different outdoor conditions. Its unique shape allows for more room to move compared to traditional designs, making it suitable for people who prefer extra space while sleeping. Built with modern synthetic materials, it continues to provide insulation even in damp environments, which is important during unpredictable weather. It also includes adjustable features that help manage airflow and temperature throughout the night. With a design focused on both comfort and environmental responsibility, it represents a thoughtful approach to outdoor sleeping solutions for camping and travel.